Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make card paper. First, you'll need to gather your raw materials, primarily recycled paper like old newspapers or cardboard. Tear these into small, manageable pieces, roughly 1 inch by 1 inch. Next, soak these pieces in warm water for at least 2 to 4 hours, allowing the fibers to soften thoroughly. Finally, blend the softened paper with additional water until it forms a smooth, consistent pulp, ready for the next stage. Now let's form the paper sheet. You'll need a mold and decal, which is essentially a screen-bottomed frame. Submerge this assembly into your prepared pulp, ensuring you scoop up an even layer of fibers across the screen. As you carefully lift the mold, allow the excess water to drain away through the screen. This process leaves behind a delicate, wet sheet of newly formed paper, typically about 1/8 of an inch thick. After forming, the next crucial step is pressing and drying. Gently transfer your wet paper sheet from the mold onto a piece of felt or an absorbent cloth. Place another felt on top and apply firm, even pressure to squeeze out as much water as you can. This pressing reduces the sheet's thickness by about 1/2. Finally, let the sheet air dry completely on a flat, clean surface for 24 to 48 hours to prevent any warping. For the final touches, consider sizing your card paper. Applying a sizing agent, such as a diluted liquid starch solution, will significantly increase its stiffness and make it more resistant to ink bleed. After applying, allow the paper to dry thoroughly once more, which can take several hours. For an even smoother, more polished surface, you can optionally calendar the paper by pressing it between 2 smooth rollers, enhancing its professional appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.